Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Zello app. You click on settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Zello app and you will click here. Then you can click on Forcestop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.